Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about how to alter a table. Let us suppose we already have a table, countries 2, that we have created in the earlier video. Now we wanted to add a particular column. We wanted to basically change a particular column for a region ID as a foreign key. To do so, we will write a code. First, we will write alter, then table, then name of the table that we wanted to alter. Then write add, that's foreign key what you wanted to define. Here we are defining region ID, then reference region ID, regions as a region ID. After writing this, run the query, and here the table has been altered. Now how we will check this? First we will go in the country ID. We see there is no constant right now defined, but as we run the query, after that, yes, now it is reflecting the foreign key, that is the actually the table that we are referring, the column regions. Now the existing table has been modified, altered. That is the way by which we can change the whole table, the properties, or anything in this table. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet again in the next video.